Horizontal directional drills help you avoid the lateral extents of the hazards that you encounter. So for example, if you are drilling under a landslide, you do a bit of research with your geotech investigations to figure out the extents of the hazard, but then you're able to go from point A to point B without ever touching that landslide. We've helped clients lower lines that way, lines that have previously had ruptures or strain on the pipe. We've also helped clients avoid stream hazards that way as well. You just go right into the stream, just avoid it. It's one of the best avoidance solutions there is for pipeline mitigations and pipeline lowering. With pipelines being a lateral infrastructure or linear infrastructure, you run through a lot of different areas. You encounter a lot of different hazards. There is avoiding them, but you gotta lay your pipe somewhere. And so these hazards, these landslides can push the pipe, cause strain, cause ruptures. These stream crossings can cause vibration-induced vortices. They can have debris accumulation with them. Woody debris can hit them, stream material can hit them. They can cause unsupported spans or unengineered spans. I think a client should choose Geotechnical because we have great people with great experience in this area. We provide the full picture as well. We take it from conceptual layouts to feasibility analysis. We can do geotech investigations for them. We can do pipe stress analysis, frac out analysis, deliver the entire design package, and then also oversee the construction. We can see it from start to finish. We can be involved as much as you want, but we got people that do it all.